Aptly said by Shakespeare, all the world's a stage and all men and women are merely players. They have their exits and their entrances. And one man in his lifetime plays many parts. Truly. We at SMP, I believe that this part is getting more and more important and will be one of the most sought after profession in the near future. Performing arts have acquired the meaning like never before. It has become one of the most dynamic and creative workforces, and if nurtured scientifically, would become the most effective career for billions of aspiring talents. Arts and performance have always been our country's heritage, and we are the best people to play our parts better in this world of dreams. SMPI, an institute on performing arts, has very specific objectives, and we strive to encourage and facilitate innovation and learning in the fields of drama, music, and dance. We do this in an environment of trust and faith in order to nurture individualistic artistic expression. We aim to do this by providing education and training which prepares them to become confident young actors. Our ambition has always been to make this an institute of excellence in promotion of this classical as well as contemporary form of art. SMPI has a comprehensive hands-on knowledge on training and is well-established institute in entire Eastern India, established way back in 1994. It has virtually become the lifeline of Bengal's entertainment industry. Be it the film, television, ad films, news media or the stage. An acclaimed expert in providing superior training and grooming to aspiring actors, dancers, singers, media personalities, SMPI is accredited for creating some of the finest talents in entire India.
Subscribe to YouTube/SMPI.
Think Short Entertainment. Think SMPI Shorts.